The World Health Organization commissioned a series of reviews on the health effects of exposure to radiofrequency electromagnetic fields. This is essentially the radiation that is emitted from mobile phones. One of the studies that was published just last Friday was on the carcinogenicity in animal models, experimental studies. And in that study, they reported that there was high certainty that exposure to radiofrequency radiation was related to the induction of two types of tumors. One of these was gliomas in the brain, and the other was schwannomas in the heart. Now, what's important about this one is these are the same cell types that have been identified in human studies. Human epidemiological studies of mobile phone or cell phone users has shown increases in gliomas in the brain and schwannomas or acoustic neuromas, same type of tumor, but it was in the ear canal. In addition to the relationship between the animal studies and the human studies, animal studies have been used to characterize risk in human populations, and this has been ongoing for at least 40 years. The Environmental Protection Agency assesses quantitative risk based on animal studies. Animal studies are used as a predictor of human risk, and this has been going on since at least before 1980. Public health agencies make use of animal studies to estimate the risk to humans and set exposure limits that would be protective of human health. Part of the reason for this is that every agent that has been identified as a human carcinogen is also carcinogenic in animals when adequately tested. There are a number of other reasons for using animal models for prediction of human risk, is because it takes up to 30 years to determine if an agent is not carcinogenic in humans from human studies. So rather than waiting to count the human bodies, human tumor incidence from an exposure, animal models are used in a predictive way to set exposure limits to prevent the occurrence of any high tumor rates.